Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What is going on? Real quick, before I get into this video, guys, let me invite you guys to jump on the live stream tomorrow. What is tomorrow? The 9th or the 8th? We're in January now. Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, we're going to discuss high performance engine and what happens when things don't go right. Okay, most of y'all see by now I uploaded that Hellcat where that supercharger came apart. That intake manifold, the supercharger exploded. Me and my buddy Sean, okay, over at This Guy's Garage, we're going to discuss that and more as far as high performance engine goes. Okay, now Sean is I don't know if he's a prior or still a racer, so he have knowledge from a high performance standpoint. We're going to talk live stream, side by side. I need y'all to tune in, okay? Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. We're going to go over some things. We're going to have some video playing while we discuss some things. It's just going to be a nice high-performance discussion tomorrow. 8 o'clock, Sunday at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I will be live streaming with This Guy's Garage. In fact, watch it. This is his channel right here. Y'all go check him out. And go ahead on and sub his channel while you have it. Watch some of his racing videos and things he have going as well. Okay, real good friend of mine over in Canada. I wonder what the weather's like over there. I don't know. I'm sure we'll touch on that as well. Okay, guys. So now let's get on with this video and what's going on with this, as you can see, Jeep Wrangler. All right. This is a 2014, I want to say. Oil change. That's why she in. She want to get an oil change. Oil change required. 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Okay. I want to say the 3.6 Pentastar with a NAG transmission, guys. NAG is a 5-speed transmission that Chrysler was using a lot. Now, as you know, we are up to 8 speeds now, but from a ZF standpoint, a ZF version, okay, 8 HP. All right, she's in for oil change. This is my niece, Uncle Ray. Can you do my oil change Saturday? Sure. Y'all know I'm going for Uncle of the Year award, okay? So, yeah, I have oil, I have filters. So it's basically maybe, I don't want them to get in the habit of this. It may be like a generosity thing, no charge. Okay, when you have the fluid, I have some Mopar, some of that good oil, 5W20, of course, guys. Oil, I'm not gonna say oil is oil, but name brand, a lot of the name brand oils, all of those are good. A lot of the big name oil brands, they're all good, but you have to make sure you're putting in the right weight of oil. Okay, this particular engine holds 5W20, so I have some good Mopar 5W20 over there, and of course a filter, the cartridge type filter, or the filter for the 3.6 Pentastar. So I'm going to change the oil. And she complained about, you know, they try to throw all that. The only reason I think she bought it because I work for Jeep. Okay, so naturally you think you're going to get all your stuff, your repairs and stuff. In other words, you won't get scammed by other shops and mechanic because your uncle happened to know everything about the vehicle that you own. That's the way my family roll for some reason. They think all they got to do is buy a Jeep or a Chrysler or Dodge. I'm good. As opposed to the other ones, they buy these other, you know, import stuff, Toyotas and Nissan. My Nissan broke. Can you fix it? No. I don't have the scan tool to get it in there. I'm not finna, yeah, so it's a different story. But I'm about to take care of the oil change. Now, guys, I'm smelling some oil burning, guys. Before I even pop this hood, how much you guys want to wager? What is it? 71,000 miles. This oil filter adapter housing is leaking. Mind you, she just bought this car. Car lots are a trip, man. They gonna dress up a car just well enough to get it over the finish line, get it sold. Okay, and most of the time it's sold as is. All right, this is a 71,000 mile vehicle. Things like this is a NAG 5-speed transmission. I want to say 60,000 miles. This transmission should be serviced. Have it been serviced? Likely not. Okay, and you got to stay on top of that because that has a filter in it. They all have filters, but this one is serviceable, meaning you can drop the pan and replace the filter. This is a 4-wheel drive. You see this? Yeah, so there's a transfer case. There's a front differential. There's a rear differential. So a lot of maintenance should be done on this car, in my opinion, around 60,000 miles. How much was done before she purchased it? I don't know. Normally, the maintenance history will be in the glove box, but not in this case. So I have no idea. And she just got it not too long ago. She probably have no idea. She say sometimes she turn the key, it won't start. Now I recall a skim module. This car has a skim security alarm that has a flash update to fix that. I'm gonna go make sure. I'm gonna go see if that flash is available for this vehicle. You turn the key, sometime it won't start, but it'll give off a fault code in some cases. But if there's a flash update for that, I'm gonna take care of that. That should repair that sometime. No crank, no. Those are hard to diagnose, guys, if you don't have a scan tool and you don't have history knowledge of the vehicle. Because I know there's a problem on this year model skim module. I know what to do. All right, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of time, guys. Let me get out here and change this oil and look over some things before something crazy happens. And we're gonna go from there, guys. Y'all, we in the shop now, guys. Let's get this thing up in the air. Y'all ready? Man, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, my mind is made up. I'm not gonna change the oil. I'm not gonna waste oil. This thing is leaking pretty bad. As y'all saw, before I done anything, I popped the hood, and that odor, that burning oil odor, really hit me in the nose. Woo! So I looked down there, and lo and behold, there's oil everywhere around the oil filter adapter housing. So no sense changing the oil. I'm gonna set up another date for the comeback. And y'all saw all the oil under the underbody. Y'all saw oh my goodness, the transmission fluid. It's brown. That's supposed to be candy apple red ATF plus 4. All right, so I'm going to go with the front and rear differential service. I'm going to service the transfer case. I'm going to do the whole 9 yard, guys. All right. And yes, I did find the flash update for that skim key I was talking about. And there's also flash updates for the transmission. Yes, shift improvement, guys. That's what I say. It makes no sense to service your transmission if you're not going to verify that it's at the latest and greatest software. Okay, that's crazy. All right, even the engine had the PCM had a flash update for it for some improvements, drivability improvements. If I'm going to screw in spark plugs, I'm going to make sure the computer is up to date. I want the overall vehicle to be up to date. That's what tune-ups are designed to do. Restore peak performance. Okay, in between now and the birth of this vehicle, engineers have found a way to improve its drivability. So they created a flash. We're living in good times right now, guys. You no longer have to replace a module for an update. You can practically erase old modules out of a computer and program new software programming into a computer. All right, they all have double EEPROMs on them now, so that is good to have, guys. So I'm gonna flash update that PCM, the TCM, and of course the skim module for that no key. That was another one for HVAC. This is it's not so much dual, but this is an HVAC module, meaning the module is on the bus. So any HVAC problems should display a fault code. Okay. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to update everything that has an update to it. All right. I'm going to service the transmission, service the diff, front and rear diff, transfer case. And lo and behold, I'm going to do that damn oil filter adapter housing. That's going to be the hardest part. And guys, while you're doing oil filter adapter housing, that is the perfect time to go ahead and do a tune-up. Okay, I know you guys think tune-ups on Pentastar should be 100,000 miles. This will have 70. I'm not pulling that plenum back off. Okay, no. If it's off at 70, damn it, it's getting plugs installed at 70. All right, it's just that simple. Especially that is this. For some reason, these Wranglers are hard. They just tedious. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna kill 2 or 3 birds in one stone. So that's it, guys. I rescheduled her to come back at a later date. I have no time to do this today. I didn't know it was going to be, I didn't know I was going to find all these problems. That's what oil changes are for, guys. Preventive maintenance. You take your car in every 3,000 miles or whatever range. I don't know what this algorithm set for. But if you see that, that's basically telling you, get the oil change and check over everything else. All right. So this in essence did its job. In the process of me getting ready to change the oil, I found out other things. It's called PM, guys, preventive maintenance. I can now prevent that transmission from failing. I can help prolong that transmission by servicing it. Okay? and updating it. I can help prolong this engine by making sure oil stays where it's supposed to stay. Okay, yes, the level of oil, all of that is important. I found out there was an oil leak. I have addressed that, and we're going to get that straightened out. All right, guys. Yes, I'm done. So, and don't forget, guys, please do not forget to tune in tomorrow to the live stream, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January the 8th or the 9th, whichever day Sunday is, okay? Live stream with this guy's garage, Sean. We're going to discuss some high performance issues. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.